In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you need to insert new text, modify existing text, or get a bit creative with font formatting, Adobe Acrobat Pro makes it all very straightforward. Note that these handy tools are only available in the Pro version, so make sure you've got that version before diving in. Let's start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is an essential step as Adobe Reader, the more common but basic version, lacks the full suite of editing capabilities you'll need for this task. Once your document is open, it's time to activate editing mode. To do this, navigate to the top of your screen where you'll find the Tools menu, click on it, and then select Edit PDF from the drop-down options. This action will transform your document into an editable format, complete with visible text boxes and editing handles. These are your gateways to adding and modifying text. If you're eager to add new text, simply click wherever you want the text to appear and start typing. Sometimes you might not immediately see a text cursor. Not to worry, this just means you need to give the system a nudge. Go back to your Edit PDF toolbar located at the top and click on Add Text. This will let you place a new text box on your PDF, ready for you to type away. Now, if you're looking to edit text that's already there, the process is just as easy. Click directly on the text you wish to change to activate that particular text box. You can now type over it to replace words or use the delete or backspace keys to remove characters. It's as intuitive as editing a Word document. Once your text is in place, you might want to give it a little flair. Highlight your text and look to the right-hand pane where you'll find a host of formatting options. Adjust the font family, change the size, swap colors, tweak alignment, and more. Create a document that's not only informative but also visually appealing. Sometimes you might find that you want to move your text or adjust its dimensions. Click on the text box and drag it to your desired position. Need it bigger or smaller? Use the handles on the edges of your text box to resize it. This step ensures everything fits just right on your page. Finally, after all your hard work making these edits, it's crucial to save your document to preserve all your changes. Double check you've captured everything you want, then hit that save option. And that's it. Adding and editing text in a PDF with Adobe Acrobat Pro really is that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Happy editing!